Having a simple drag and drop interface was important to us, where we could just drag an entire group of people onto a schedule. And that's what happens a lot of times in our field of work or in construction, where we want to take an entire crew and put them on a job. We want to be able to just drag and drop them. One of the reasons why we kind of went down this road is because not only do we do that, but we also have a lot of times where crews, you might have an entire crew of people and equipment, and they may be going to a job, which is great, but at the same time, we have another crew that's slow, and we want to break up that crew. Like, I want to take Amy and put them with them that day specifically. I don't want to take Amy off the crew altogether, but just work with them that day. It's such a common thing that happens all the time, but yet a lot of apps didn't do that. And it's part of the reason why we started to kind of go down this road of like saying, hey, let's create something that allows us to schedule the way we schedule. And the other thing too is we also wanted to make it apparent to people when you double book. So in this case here, of course you can press expand all and see the details and see where Amy is. But if I wanted to, I could take Amy and say, hey, you're going to go here. It's going to yell at me and say, hey, Amy's going to be double booked if you do this. And I may still want to put Amy on that job because maybe she's got to go over there real quick and get that done, and then she'll go over there and do this. But basically, again, we want to give you that flexibility to do these types of things, to be able to break up crews, and to also let you know, of course, if you're double booking people. So it was a pretty important feature to us, and it's used quite a bit.